Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Well, here's a story with a happy ending. My mom had quite the green thumb, and for many years she was winning trophies and showing me how to win trophies. And she had these orchids that she loved. Well, a year ago, she passed away from cancer, and it was really devastating for all of us. And then I looked out at one of her orchids and saw that it was really struggling. So I decided to pull it out and divide it. It had been divided in quite a few years, and I actually divided it into 10 different pots and took care of feeding them and watering them over this past year. Well, I went back over to my dad's house just to check on them and look at all the blooms. They were just exploded in blooms. And so as we approach the 1-year anniversary of my mom's passing, I can't help but just smile and look at these orchids and think how happy she would be that her orchids are thriving all these years. By the way, I have no idea what this orchid is, so if any of you viewers have any idea what this orchid is called, please leave a comment telling me what it's called. I would love to know what my mom's orchid was. So that's all the time we have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. And again, let me know what kind of orchid this is. And good luck with your landscape project. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.